problem number 8. Okay? So, we have to find the depression H. Okay? H yung hinahanap natin of the mercury if the glass capillary tube having a diameter of 2 mm, so the radius is 0.002 meters, 2 meter over 2, okay, and surface tension which is equivalent to 0.514 Newton per meter, and a phi of 40 degrees. So, working equation is 2 sigma cosine of phi over rho g r. But remember, okay, ang ating fluid is mercury. So, substituting into the equation, H is 2, sigma is 0.514, okay, cosine of 40 degrees over the rho. Alin ba yung rho ng mercury? Just multiply the specific gravity of the mercury, which is 13.6, by the specific gravity of by the density of water. Specific gravity of the mercury times the density of water times 9.81 meters per second squared times the radius, which is equivalent to 0.002 over 2. Okay, and look for H. Our H is 0.0059 meters or 5.90 millimeters. So this should be the final answer. Since that is depression, so it's negative dapat. Okay, since absolute, yun naman kinukuha natin is the absolute value or the value of depression, so positive na rin tong 5.90 millimeters. For problem number 9, okay, what is most nearly the gauge pressure at A in the tank of water with a height of 2 meters? So the pressure, gauge pressure, is just equivalent to rho g h or gamma h. Okay, so we have here density of water 1,000 kilograms per meter cube times g, which is 9.81 meters per second squared, times the height of the water, which is 2 meters. So the gauge pressure is equivalent to 19.62 kilopascal. Kilo yan, dinivide na natin ng 1,000, or nearly 20 kilopascal. So this should be our answer. Okay, so for this problem, for problem number 10, we have, because of a leak in a buried gasoline storage tank, water has seeped in the depth shown. The specific gravity of the gasoline, Sg of gasoline, is 0.68. Okay? Determine the pressure at the gasoline-water interface. Itong interface na to. Okay? And at the bottom of the tank. So, ito daw is 1 at ito yung 2. Diba? Kapag meron tayong different layers of fluid, so meron yung different pressure at different layers. So, meron tayong water-gasoline interface. Ito yung 1 natin. Tsaka yung bottom of the tank, which is 2. So, kukunin natin yung mga pressures doon. Okay? In PSI and in feet. Okay? Yung water head. Okay, or yung head. So, paano natin gagawin? So, unahin natin yung pressure 1. So, pressure 1, diba? This one, bottom minus top. Kapag meron tayong different fluids, bottom minus ibabaw. Gauge pressure. So, this is open to the atmosphere. So, the gauge pressure here is 0. Okay? So, dito ay 0 ang gauge pressure since open sa atmosphere. So, P1 minus 0 is equal to rho GH of anong fluid to? Gasoline. Okay? So, P1 is just equal to, ano ba yung rho G? Gamma. Okay? So, yung gasoline natin is 0.68 Diba? Specific gravity times gamma of water. Since English units to, 62.4 pounds per feet cube. Okay? Times the height of 17 feet. Okay? So, yung pressure 1 natin is equivalent to 721.34 pounds per feet squared. Okay? Tapos, gawin natin ang 1 foot over 12 inches squared para sa PSI. So, this is equivalent to 5.01 okay, PSI. Or kung feet naman, paano pag feet lang? Pressure 1. Paano kapag feet lang? I-divide naman natin itong 721.34 ng 62.4. Okay? So, we have 721.34 pound per feet squared divide 62.4 pound per feet cube. Okay? So, this is equivalent to 11.6 feet of water. So, pareho lang yan. 5.01 PSI or 11.6 feet of water. Parehong pressure to. Okay? This is just in terms of head of water. Okay? Paano natin kukunin yung pressure 2? Pressure 2 minus pressure 1 is rho GH of what is that fluid? Water. So, P2 minus P1 of 721.34 pounds per feet squared is equivalent to gamma of water, 62.4 pound per feet cube times the height of P2 hanggang P1, which is 3 feet. Okay? So, pressure 2, mako-compute natin pressure 2, mako-compute natin is equivalent to 908.54 pounds per feet squared. Okay? So, gawin natin PSI. 1 foot over 12 inches squared. So, P2 is equivalent to 6.31 PSI. Kung head naman, P2 is 908.54 pound per feet squared over 62.4 pounds per feet cube. So, P2 is equivalent to 14.56 feet. Okay? So, ito yung mga pressures natin.